In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a minimum order quantity, or MOQ, on your Shopify store. This is a handy technique for ensuring that customers purchase at least a certain number of items for particular products in your store. To achieve this, we'll be using a combination of product tagging and some code modifications to effectively restrict product purchases based on their quantity. Don't worry if this sounds a bit complex. I'll walk you through each step to make it as straightforward as possible. First things first, we need to identify the products in your store that you'd like to have a minimum order quantity for. Once you've decided on these products, head over to your Shopify admin dashboard. Here you'll add a specific tag to each of these products. For example, you can use a tag like minimum 10 if you want to set a minimum order quantity of 10. Simply navigate to the product in your dashboard, go to the tags section, and add your desired tag. This tag will serve as a marker, helping your store to recognize which products have these minimum order quantity rules applied to them. Now, let's move on to the more technical part, adding some code to your theme to ensure the minimum quantities are enforced during checkout. Begin by going to your Shopify dashboard and navigating to the Online Store section. From there, click on Themes. And for your active theme, you'll see an option to Edit Code. Click on this and keep a lookout for a file named cart.liquid or cart template. Liquid. The exact name might vary depending on the theme you're using, but it should be something similar. Once you've found it, you'll want to insert a snippet of code. This code will work behind the scenes to check both the product tag and the quantity that the customer has chosen before the checkout process is finalized. It's crafted to prevent the customer from proceeding with their checkout if the quantity falls below your specified minimum. Not only does this help maintain your sales goals, but it also ensures customers are clear about purchasing requirements. And, of course, if the customer does attempt to check out with a quantity lower than your minimum, we want them to be fully informed. This is where a customized error message comes in. Incorporate a message right within your code that gently informs your customers of the MOQ requirement when their order doesn't meet it. This courteous touch does wonders for keeping customers informed and ensuring a smooth shopping experience. Following these steps will help maintain order requirements and keep your business operations running smoothly. As always, save your work to keep these modifications active and don't hesitate to test the checkout process yourself to ensure everything is functioning as expected. Thanks for tuning in and happy selling!